dear student, what is happening in this question? Actually, no issue. First time they might seem some kind of okay, let me take this pen. Okay, okay, okay. So try to see this question. The question is saying that okay, the question is saying that three positive whole numbers have a median of 7, right?
Yes.
Okay, so see what is exactly in this question. So what they are trying to do, they are actually, because the concept is same, right?
Yeah.
What they wanted to do, they wanted to make it difficult. So what they are trying to do, they are introducing some unknown numbers, because there are three positive whole number, right? But they are not given, right? Are you getting my
Yeah.
point? So that is
Yeah.
the, that is how the question become complex, because if the numbers are given, it's become easy. So what we can do, so try to understand this thing, because okay, let me, okay, so try to understand this thing. Okay, so what you will do, so you understand that median is given as 7 and the mean is 7, because this part is, we are okay with this part, because median is 7, that is okay, mean is okay, given, that is okay, even we know the range formula, that is okay. What we have to understand what is that particular line which is actually making confusion. That is the first, like try to understand this three positive whole number. uh, are you getting my point?
Yes.
Okay, so this is the line, we have to focus on this line. So okay, let me write this down. So okay, three positive whole number, okay, great. So basically, okay, great. So basically what we can do, because try to see this now, what we are going to do. Okay, we know that there are three positive whole number. Can we draw the three boxes like this? So firstly we will draw three boxes like this, right? Are you getting my point?
Yes.
Okay, so basically what, now try to understand, because along with, because firstly we have to understand this problem, because when I am saying three numbers, are you getting my point? When I am saying three number, right?
And three boxes.
Are you getting my point?
Yes.
See, when I'm three writing as three numbers, so three is odd, right? Three means odd, right?
Yes.
So basically we know the conceptual fundamental, because three is odd, so there is only one middle term, right?
Yes.
There is only one middle term, and that could be the median, and this is already given in the question. Are you getting my point?
Yes.
Okay, so basically, so that is the point, that is the point, three positive whole numbers. Okay, try to understand. There is a, firstly we focus on the word three. So three means odd, so odd means we have to find out the median. There is only one middle term. Are you getting my point?
Yeah.
Great, great. Now what we can do? Now try to understand this conceptual part, because if you just crack this, after this it is like become very easy. So what we can do, because we don't, because firstly we don't know some number. Okay, so what we can do, we will assume the first number as A, and we will assume the third number as C. Are you getting my point?
Yeah.
Because that is okay. Now we will play around this. So what we can do, so basically we will say the mean is given, and the mean is given in such a way that the already, it is already given as 5, right?
Yeah.
Now it is very easy, now it is very easy, now it is very easy, like A plus 7 plus C divided by 3 is equal to, in the mean, of course it is already given 5. Are you getting my point?
Yeah.
Now after that, 3 is in the division, what when it goes to the other side, it will get multiplied. So we will write A plus 7 plus C is equal to 5 multiply 3. So it means we can say that A plus 7 plus C is equal to 15. Are you getting this point?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so 7 is positive. When it goes to the another side, it will become negative. So it will like a plus c is equal to 15 minus 7, right?
Yeah.
So we can say like that, a plus c like 8. So try to understand. The question is not complex. What we have to understand, uh, the complexity of questions, because what they are trying to say, because 3 positive whole number, that is how they, because they are introducing some unknown variable, they are trying to become very smart. We have to, what we have to become more smarter than them. Okay, so is it, is it was easier, yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay, what they are trying to do, they are trying to introduce, they are trying to introduce unknown variable, because they want to check whether you can apply the formula to the unknown variables like that. Are you getting my point?
Yeah.
That is because the formula will be same, concept will be same. Now we are coming to the point, because okay, so till now see how we have used this data, we have used this data. So it is like that. So it is just like that, we are actually just like each and every line of the question, we are actually finding out that extracting information out of there. Okay, so now we have to find out the range, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so okay, if we are talking about the range, so we already know that range is equal to the, like we can simply like that, highest minus lowest, right?
Yes.
Okay, that is the thing. Now we have to understand, like this. So actually, now try to understand this thing. Okay, when I am writing a comma 7 and then c, are you getting my point?
I got it.
So
And
basically,
so A's value is 4 and A's value is also 4.
okay, 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 no issue. So basically, what we are going to do, so see, when we are finding out the median, so this is like shorted order. We have actually, we arranged in this ascending order like that, right?
Yeah.
So basically, it will be like that. So what could be the case? Because C either should be 7, because C should be at least 7. It can be greater than 7 as well, because what we do, we actually arranged in the ascending order. Are you getting my point?
Yeah.
7 at least.
But, but you need A plus C equals to 8.
Okay. Yes, yes, yes. We also see that condition as well. What C? Firstly, focus on the C. C means, okay, at least it should be 7. Okay, it can be greater than like 7, 8, 9, it can be greater than, but at least, are you getting my point?
Yes.
Okay, but that is very very important thing. So after that, okay, so okay, we find the range of these three numbers. So what we can take to this, so okay, let me take this. Okay, so okay, can you tell what we have to do right now?
I think that even 1 plus 7 is 4. 8 is 4. 12 y plus y equals to 3.
Okay, okay, now okay, okay, no issue. So basically, try to understand this thing. After this, because till this point everything is clear. A plus c is equal to 8, right?
Yeah.
Now, because after that we have to make some intuition, because see what is exactly happening, because c at least should be 7, right? So what we will do, we will assume, we are assuming for now that c is 7. Is that okay?
uh,
Is that okay? I'm not saying this is the answer. I'm saying, can we assume for a moment that C is equal to 6? Are you getting my point?
yeah,
I'm not saying this is the answer. I'm not saying I'm using any kind of formula. What I'm just assuming if C is equal to 7, okay, we know that if A plus C is equal to 8, and then C is already 7, plus 7 is equal to 8, so okay, this is 8, so A is equal to 8 minus 7, so A is equal to 1. In that situation, if I'm assuming, I'm again saying, I'm assuming if C is equal to A, then A will be 1, right?
yes,
Okay, now great. So basically, if A is equal to 1, okay, so for a moment I am saying A is equal to 1 and then C is
wait,
equal to
yes,
7.
but we are assuming yes, right? Can we assume it as any other number also?
Yes, that's a crazy part. We can also assume any other number. What the important part is that they already given that mean should be 5. Are you getting my point?
Yeah,
Okay, so what we are going to do, if A is equal to 1, 7 is already given, and then C is like 7. So if we are taking the mean of them, so it is like 15 divided by 3. So we are getting the mean as 5. Are you getting my point?
yes,
It is such like that we have to satisfy the condition. Okay?
uh,
So in such a way that we have to assume the number because we know that already C should be at least 7, 7, 8, 9, 10, like that. What we have to also check the condition that mean should be like 5. Are you getting my point?
yes,
So okay, so now what is coming to this point, so we already have like this. So okay, so ranges, so for now we are assuming that the numbers are like 1, 7, 7, and now can you find out the range of all of these numbers?
range,
Tell me what could be the range.
6,
Very good. It's a 6, right? 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. I hope you got this point, right?
yeah,
So, this is how this question will work. I hope
it's
you.
a, it's a, fine. So there are three numbers, there will be three boxes, and already know the 7, the median is 7, so the median always is in the middle, so we write 7 in the middle,
Yes.
and we can add on the empty boxes as A and 3. And the mean is 5, so A plus 7 plus C equals to 5. So divided by 3 equals to 5. So A plus 7 plus C equals to 5 multiplied by 3.
Yes.
Yes, so we can say it is A plus 7 plus C equals to 15. A plus C equals to 15 minus 7. 7, 8. And A plus C equals to 8. So we can assume it as 7 or more than 7, 8 or C. So we keep it 7. We assume it as 7. And that means the A will become 1. So the median is
Yes.
so the mean is 5.
Yes.
The mean will become 5. And the median is 7. And the range is the range. So now that you found that it is 7 and like 7 is given and A is 1, we can easily take out the range. That is 1, 7, 7,
Okay, so I hope you got this one right.
Yeah.
Okay, so basically this seems to be very lengthy. What when you practice it so many times, so when you, so it will be like very very easy, and it will be like you can do it in a 60 second only, right?
Let's move to the next question.
Okay, so can we proceed to the next question?
Yes.
Okay, great. Okay, so the question is, four numbers have a mean of 6. Three of them are given. Find the other number. So, firstly, you do the first A part. Okay.
Three numbers are three, seven. Is it four? Wait a minute.
Take your time. Take your time. And I think first part is if you use all the formula carefully, it is very very easy because mean formula we already know that. Other number which is not given, we can assume it, right?
Find the other number. So there will be the total how many numbers? Six, one, two, three. So can we draw four boxes?
Yes, yes, yes. Take your time. Take your time. Do
I
whatever
draw.
you need to
I
do.
want you to draw the four boxes.
Okay, should I draw the four boxes?
Yeah.
Okay, okay, great, great, great. Okay, that's okay, that's okay. So okay, so we will draw four boxes like this. There is one box, and there is another box, and there is another box, and there is another box. Okay, great.
First one it is like three.
Okay,
Second one seven. And the third one 10.
okay, great, great, great.
So now what can we do here? So that we will do twins.
Yes,
There are total four numbers. And
yes.
what's the sum of these? Sum of 20.
Great, great. You are getting the point. Okay, very good, very good. After that,
Okay, so go to the mean. Mean is equal to 6. In the material, mean is equal to 6. Yeah, below the box of 3. So mean so the mean is 10. And then the third is 600. So it is 24 plus 7. The 6. I will keep going with them. So is the other number 4?
okay, so your answer is 4, right?
Yes.
Okay, so let me check the answer. This is question number 9, and the question number 9, and you want to write 4 over here, right? 4 as the answer, right?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so basically for this question you got 2 marks because your answer is correct. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Numbers have a mode of 5 and a mode of 5. That means there will be 5 multiples. And a mean of 6 and 3 and 3, 3 boxes. A mode of 5 and a mean of 6. A mean of 6.
Okay. So Naman, okay, if you're not getting that is also okay. Okay?
Let him do, let him do.
Okay.
Okay. But I have the number is 5, but they have a mode of 5, so I wrote 5 two times and
Very good, very good, very good. First,
one
okay, can I congratulate you?
time.
Because that's the crazy thing. Because you already cracked it because you write it 2 times, right?
Yeah.
That is the only hack. Okay, now you can do this. So have you solved it?
Yes. So I did five. I, so there are three. What is your answer? So there are three numbers. So I give three boxes, and there is a mode of five. And I realized that if there is a mode, then I can write a maximum. Oh no, my minimum two times. So I just wrote two times, and so that the mean comes six. I wrote eight then because there are three number five plus eight ten. Plus eight is equal to 18, and there are three numbers. Three should be divisible by 18, and two is divisible by 18, and the mean came six.
Okay, so what is your answer?
So my answer is 5 plus 5 plus 8 by 3 equals to 6.
Okay, so use your, because see, uh, two terms are repeated but third is not given, so we,
That x is 8.
okay, you are assuming it as is 8, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I want to congratulate you. You already scored 2 marks in this question. So, okay, let me write 8 over there. And if actually this was actual question paper, okay, so okay, I want to give you marks over this. Okay, so yes, so the third one is x, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so do you want to explain me now, because you already did it correctly, right?
And therefore, I did it, but I did it in a very short. No, I did not do it step. Okay, so there are three numbers have a word of 5.
Yes.
So, a word means which comes like minimum two times. So I realized that there will be five two times here, and there will be one other extra number. So I just simply wrote five two times, and then a mean of six. So which all will, and then we should add such a number that the mean comes six into five. Then I added only the five and ten in my thought that one can come. So I started from checking it in my mind from one to two. Then then when I came to eight, then 5 plus 5 is 10, and 10 plus 8 is 18. But there are three numbers, so I quickly wrote 5 plus 5 plus 8 by 3 because there are three boxes, and equals to 5 plus 5, 10, and then plus 8 is 18.
Okay.
And 18 divided by 3 is 6, so I do 6.
Okay, great. Crazy, crazy. Okay, so okay, it's a very good to know that you are already know how to apply the concept. Okay, now see the C part.
Find four numbers and four boxes which have a mode of 7 and a median of 6. Four of 7. Seven. then I will be the next is what median again. So the median is that n plus 1 by 2. That is the median. They could do median for how to do more study and then depends on what's the median when getting confused and then 3 day frequency. How do I take it? Median. What is median? Like n plus 1 divided by 2 is median.
Take your time, take your time. You can do this, you can do this if you just okay. Oh, okay. The take your time, do whatever you need to do. If you have, if you know some any hit and trial method, just do that, okay? There.
So, and then they will put it under this median of 6. Okay, so now one. So then I did that. Okay, so Canada 4 is not good. The 4 boxes.
Okay, so let me draw four boxes here. One box, two box, three box, and four box. Okay.
In the first box, write 7, and in the other two boxes, write 6, and in the last, again 7.
Okay. First box is 7. After that.
6.
Okay.
Then another 6,
6. And after that.
7.
Great. Okay. So
I'm having four numbers, 4 boxes, like what I have. A more of 7 and a medium 6. I did 72 times minimum, and a median of 6.
okay.
And a median of 6. This also has a median of 6.
Okay. Okay.
Because million,
Okay, so can I give you a, okay, you are doing right, and your approach is also right. What there is a one crux in the situation. So when we are talking about the median, we don't, okay, we don't take randomly numbers. We actually arrange them in the ascending order. You have to keep in mind that thing also, because if I am writing 7 6 6 6 7, so what does it mean? So they are not in the arranging order. Okay.
I think
So if I am writing like 6 6 7 7, so in that situation our condition is not satisfying. Are you getting my point?
yeah, so to say,
So when there is a median word, you have to keep in mind the the terms are should be in the ascending order, like in a proper ordering format. When there is a word median, we have to be very clear in our mind. Okay.
oh my god, great. Oh my god. So then for median of 6. And now I have one question. Like when you were teaching me the median, you were teaching me that only n plus 1. Can it be n plus anything else, n plus 2, n plus 3, or it will be only n plus 1?
N plus 1 only.
Understand. Then 7. And now in the box of it, in 6 6 plus 7, the 4, because there are 4 numbers plus 1, which is 5, divided by 2, I did it at the 4. The answer came 2, and that is the position. On the second position is 6, and now I got it.
Okay, so in the first position, what are you getting?
6, and in
Okay,
the second position, so 6,
okay. And in the third position,
7,
and in the fourth position.
the last position I get 7.
Okay.
It's
Oh, okay. 16. What in this situation? What is happening? Because we know that 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is 4 means it is even, right?
yeah,
So it means middle term 1 and then middle term 2. Okay. So like 6 plus 7 divided by 2, so it is 13 by 2, right? But I wanted the median to be 6, it is not 6. Are you getting my point? Because our median should be 6, in such a way we have to write the numbers. Are you getting it? Okay, if you don't know, then it is also okay, we will explain over here, right?
I want this and I can do it. So that's seven. So that's six. Tomorrow seven and six
Okay,
and six and four. Six. So what is that? What's it?
okay. So can I, should I explain it?
But so in the four boxes, in the second box I got six, and in the other two boxes I got seven. So
Okay,
in second box I got six, not in the first.
second
Because because n plus one divided by two, four plus one is five divided by two is two, and that is a position. And the median is six. So two on the second position, there will be six. Where six on the second position.
okay, but see, the numbers are even, so in the numbers there, when we are finding out the median, there are two middle term, right? So basically the thing is that there is one box, there is one box, and there is one box and one box. So basically we have to take two numbers.
I think your method is not correct. So you ask.
Yes, okay. So it's okay. It's okay if you're not getting it, because see, how the correct, so can I explain it?
See? Yes.
Okay, no issue, take your time. Now see what is exactly happening. So see, first of all, even without calculation, how we can do this, just try to see this. Okay, so even we don't even think about for the calculation part. Okay, because this question we have to, okay, let me take this. Okay, let me take this. Okay, okay, see, our first is like, we draw the four boxes, right? Are you getting my point?
Yeah.
You can just crack this question by just putting the numbers in this box, no? Okay, uh, okay, sorry. So see what is exactly happening. So see, the situation is like, so the mod is 7, right?
Yeah.
So what you can do, you can say that, okay, so you can take 7 over here, 7 over here, but it is, it will be not okay to put 7 over here, because of course at the end we have to arrange the data in the sorted order, right?
Yeah.
So we
And
have,
last
so okay, for now we are not sure we have to take the 7 or not, but for the moment I am writing 7 over here, right?
one.
Okay, so these positions are fixed, because okay, so basically mod is 7. Basically what does that mean? It is repeated most of the time, right?
Yes.
Okay, now we know that there are four, okay, four numbers. Four number means it is even. So in the even, when we finding out the median, the formula for median when it is middle is, that is middle term 1, middle term 1 plus middle term 2, middle term 2 divided by 2. So basically 7 is already there, right?
Yeah.
7 is already there. Okay, what we have to take such a number over here in such a way, in such a way, because we already know that, because it is like shorted order, right? So of course we cannot write 8 over here. Are you getting my point?
Yeah.
Because we are taking the shorter order, we cannot take 8 over here, we cannot take 9 over here, we cannot take 10 over here. So of course we can take 6 over here, right?
Yes.
Okay, what if I am taking 6 plus 7 divided by 2, which is 13 by 2, what it is not satisfying my condition, which is given in the question. Are you getting my point?
Yeah.
So in that case, even 6 condition is also not satisfying, so we cannot 6 as well. Are you getting my point?
Yes.
Okay, no issue, no issue. If you can, we cannot. Okay, we will. Okay, we will go further. So we will try to do put the number like 5. So we put the number 5 over here. Now see what is happening. Like middle term 1 plus middle term 2 divided by 2. This is equal to 12.
And
Uh,
then we like
2.
two.
So it is actually satisfying, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now it is satisfying. Now the question arises, sir. Okay, the mod is already, because we have already satisfying this condition, because mod is satisfying the condition, because see, okay, this condition already satisfied. Median, we have also proved that median is 6. Are you getting my point?
Yeah.
Now see the interesting part. See the interesting part. Now can you tell, because of course all the conditions are even satisfied. Now what, there are the four boxes. Now can you just tell which number I should fill over in the first boxes?
What's what?
Okay.
What with the three, six, and it makes more sense. Yeah.
Okay, see, the crazy part is all the conditions are satisfying. So we know that we always take the sorted order. So we cannot 6 over, because okay, we cannot take the bigger number, which is 5,
Yeah.
right? So we can take the 4, right?
Yeah.
Even if I am writing 3 over here, that is also fine, because 3 is still less than 5, right?
Yeah.
Even if I'm taking 2, that is also okay, because 2 is less than 5. Even if I'm taking 1, that is also fine, because we are somehow we are arranging in the ascending order. Are you getting my point?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is how so I hope you got this one, right?
Yeah.
Crazy. Okay, it's good to know that. Okay, it was actually 6 marks question, and it's good to know that. Okay, so okay, somehow you scored 4 out of 6. So it's a great, good to know that you are just uh, getting the question. So can we proceed to the next question?
Yeah.
Okay, great.
And the next question how it goes. Two more questions. If we find our group is group of four girls is 158 centimeters. Work out the total height of four girls. What? It's more than the mean income 158. So if you say the mean income 58, then that is how would you tell that the mean is 158? The mean 158. Oh my goodness. The mean height of the group of wonders is 158. But count the total height of the pyramid. What's the total? What's only the total height? But the mean will come out on the
If you want me to explain, then I can explain. Okay?
I can explain.
Okay, should I explain it?
And
Okay. Okay. So, see, the question is, okay, see, this is very interesting question. Okay, so the question is, see, first of all, okay, so the point is that the whenever we are trying to solve such kind of question, try to see the word. The word mean is used, right?
yes,
So we already know that mean means average. We are talking about average, right?
yes,
So average, and average is equal to, so there are how many girls are there? Four girls,
oh,
right? So we take total divided by total number of girls. Total number of girls in this situation. Are you getting my point?
yes,
Now they have given mean as 158. The mean is already given. Are you getting my point? Are you getting my point? The mean is, so we just have substitute the value. Are you getting my point?
Yes.
So basically total divided by, okay, see, total number of girls, how many numbers of girls, basically we are taking how many number of terms, what in this situation number of girls are given, so we will write 4 over there, right?
Um,
Are you getting my point?
yes.
Now 4 is in the division, it will goes to the other side of the equal to, it will become 158 multiply 4 and it is equal to total. So we will simply multiply 184 multiply 54 and it is like 2 3 and it is like 23, so it is like 632, right?
Yes.
Okay, so okay, so till now everything is clear, right?
Yes.
So we can say total is equal to 632. Basically, this is actually we have just find out the total, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now this is very, so basically in this situation we are talking about total height. So the, okay, because we are talking about total height, right?
Yes.
So the total height is like 632 centimeter. Okay, so see, units should be keep in mind. So for this answer actually, so for the first part the answer should be 632 centimeter. I, okay, units is already given. Okay, so I hope you got the first part, right?
And well, like the
Okay,
height, Lara drives the group, the main height of the flight cell is 156 centimeters, the Sarah's height. The Sarah's height. 5 divided by 156.
okay,
So we went down to 31, but there is another one. So 32 centimeters, and then 32 centimeters.
okay. So can I explain the B part?
Yes.
Okay, great. Okay, so basically what is exactly happening? Now see what is exactly happening. Now the question is saying that there is a kid Sarah joins the group and the mean height of 5 girls is 156. Now see, before in the, because we have seen in the part A there were 4 girls, right? So
Yes.
why I am writing 5 girls over here? Because there is one another girl, Sarah. She actually joins the group. That was why I am writing 5 girls, which is actually given in the question, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now what we will see? Okay. Again we will apply the formula. Formula for mean. The formula like it will be like similar, and it will be like total divided by total number of girls, total number of girls. So basically what is exactly happening, now the mean is 156, right?
Yes.
Now I am writing 156 over here. Now see what is exactly happening. So basically total is total, okay, no issue. So total and divided by total number of girls are 5, right?
Yes.
Now we will simply solve in the similar way. We will write 156 multiply 5 is equal to total. So basically we are talking about total height, right?
Yeah.
So see what is exactly happening. Now what we are going to do, 156 multiply 5, this is actually 30, uh, this is actually 28, so this is actually 780. So this is the 780, this is equal to total height. Now see, now the total height when there were seven, sorry, when there were five girls, when Sarah joins the group. Are you getting my point?
Yeah.
Now, what the question is not asking about the total height. Question is asking for the Sarah height, right? So
Yeah.
basically, what we need to do?
We need to divide 5 by
Okay,
11.
we have to subtract 780 minus 632. Are you getting my point?
Yeah.
Why we are subtracting? Because this is the total height. Okay, 780 when the Sarah joins, and 632 when the Sarah has not joined yet. So when we are dividing, sorry, basically when we are actually subtracting, so the answer is coming 148. Are you getting my point?
Yeah.
So here we will write Sarah height, which is equal to 148. I hope you got this one right.
Yeah.
Okay, so can we proceed to the next question?
Yeah.
Okay, great.
Okay. WX by are four integers in order of size, starting with the starting with the smaller. The mean of the how do I do it? Answer this letter.
Can we extend a class 10 minutes ahead? Are you free?
What?
Are you free? So basically, actually timer has come. But can I extend class to up to 10 minutes more?
More. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So how do I do that? How do I do it? I don't know. How do I do that? Question. How do I do it? I don't know how to do it.
Okay, so
Extend.
dear student, are you getting question? What is the question given?
Whenever this X, Y, there is, however, this method 9% to like it's actual. We're not able to get.
So can I explain it?
Yeah,
So okay, so can I explain it?
yeah,
Okay, great. So basically, see, these questions seems to be very like a very big statement, but see, uh, in actual this seems very easy. Now see what is exactly happening. So like first of all, we draw the four boxes, like one box, two box, three box, and then this is like W X Y Z, right?
yeah,
Now these are four integers and they have used the word written in the order. Order means they are in the ascending order, right?
yeah,
Starting with the smallest. Okay, they have mentioned it clearly, starting with the smallest. So W is the smallest one, X is the okay greater one, like ascending order, and the biggest is okay. So from this particular line, I am very sure that my word like box W is the smallest, right?
yeah,
And Z is the biggest, right?
yeah,
So basically, if I have to apply range, the can I write the range formula like Z minus W? Can I write like this? Can I
yeah,
write? Can I write like this? Okay, great. Okay, that we will use in the later part. Okay, now after that we are coming. So it is saying that mean of W X Y Z is equal to 30. So basically, mean formula, this is equal to total divided by number of terms, right?
yeah,
Now what is exactly happening? The mean is already given like 13, right?
yeah,
And after that what is exactly happening? So basically total. So total in the sense, okay, for this question if we see total, okay, so the total is not given, that is okay. Okay, number of terms are 4, right?
yes,
Okay, now what is exactly happening? 4 is dividing over here, it will go to the other part, so it will get multiplied. So 13 multiply 4, right?
yeah,
So this is like total. So 13 multiply 4 is equal to 52. So we got total as 52, right?
yeah,
Okay, see, this is the first situation. Now, okay, till now what we have done like this. So this is question number 11. Okay, great. Now see what is exactly. Now there is another statement. They say sum of W X Y, right? It is like W and then X and then Y, and their sum is like 33, right?
yeah,
Their sum is like 33. Okay, so after that, what is exactly happening? Okay, so what we can do after that? So, okay, like WXY, and okay, so see what is exactly happening over there. So tell me, till this point, everything is clear, yes or no?
yes,
Okay, now we have to find out the like value of Z, right?
yes,
Okay, now what we have to do, okay, we have to okay understand the pattern like total is equal to 52, right?
yes,
Okay, okay, so there are four integers. So is there is anything or else given? So basically the mean is like this. Okay, so Okay, just okay. See this part, because see the basically total is given as, so basically for the first part, because okay, uh, firstly we find out the value of z, which is 52. After that they are saying that we have to find the value of z. So this z is equal to, okay, see, okay, now after that, see, this is very crazy part, and how we have to do this, because we have to make some intuition. There is no specific formula, what we have to understand this pattern, right? Now see, you will say, sir, why we are doing like this? So see, there is no formula, but we have to understand, like, so see what is exactly happening. So when I am saying 52 is equal to total, right?
Yes.
So 52 is equal to total, so that means total is equal to w plus x plus y plus z, right?
Yes.
We have to understand like this. Now see what is exactly happening. Now I know that wx plus y is equal to, like, this value is already given in like this, so it is 33, right?
Yes.
33 plus z, and like 52, so 33 is plus, so when it goes to the another side of the equal to, it will become negative, so 52 minus 33, so this is equal to z. So it, the formula, okay, the value will come around like, okay, exact value is 19. So this is how the first part is done, and the answer for the first part is z is equal to 19. Okay, and in the box we can write as well, the value of z is 19, right?
Yes.
So do you got how the concept work over there?
Yes.
Okay, because see, we call it as a applied mathematics, because what we are doing, okay, we know the concept, what we are actually applying in the different way, right? Okay,
Yes.
so, okay, now what is exactly happening? Now see, now they have told that, given also that range of w x y z. Okay, now the range is also given, right? So the range is also given. Okay, so basically we also know that range, we have already know this formula, like z minus w, right?
Yes.
And in the place of range, okay, in the place of range, what we can do, okay, so the range is already given, so we can write 10, right?
Yes.
Okay, after that what we can do, okay, z value is already given like this, and minus like this. So okay, 19 is plus, when it goes to the another side, it will become 10 minus 19 is equal to minus w, right?
Yes.
Okay, now what is exactly happening? So okay, now see, there is a 10 and there is minus 19. Okay, so of course minus 19 and plus 10. Just tell what will be the answer.
Minus 10.
Sorry, this is not, I am writing this, minus 19 and then plus 10.
Minus. Plus minus. 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 Negative 9.
And the bigger number is minus 19, so we will write minus 9, right?
Yes.
Okay, so minus 9 is equal to minus w. So see, whenever there is a minus on the both side of equal to, they will cancel each other, right?
Yes.
Okay, so 9 is equal to w. So basically the value of w is equal to 9, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now what they have told, okay, so in place of w we can write 9. Okay, z value is also already given. Okay. Now what we have to understand, because they have told us that, okay, work out the median. Okay, now we have to look for the median. So see what we can do, Okay, now so basically there are four numbers. So median will be like middle term 1 and middle term 2, right?
Yeah.
So okay, so let me erase this one a little bit. Okay, so see what is exactly happening now. Now if I am talking about the median, so median is like, it is like x plus 1, x plus y divided by 2, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so what we can do, okay, okay, now we have to understand. Now see what is exactly happening. So we have to, okay, now we have to just simplify the equations. Okay, now see this, what is exact. Now see, first of all we will write all the equations in such a way. Okay, so see what is given, w plus x plus y, it was given 33, right?
Yes.
Okay, so z we have already calculated 19, right?
Yes.
Okay, so x, okay, the value of x, if you're looking for the x, okay, x we need to calculate, so it is like 1 w x y and then z, w x y z, so z is 19, and the value of w what we have calculated, it is like, okay, it is like 9. Okay, so now the median, if we are talking about median, so median will be x plus y divided by 2, right?
Yes.
Okay, so what we can do, because for this what we need to do, we should know what is x plus y. Okay, so if we know the w, okay, so somehow try to, okay, z minus w is already, it was 10, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so okay, now see what is exactly happening. From this situation what we can do, if I am putting the value of, okay, because we know the value of w already, so we need to find the value of okay, so what we can do, so see what we can do. Okay, that is crazy part, because we know the value of w, right?
Yeah.
So this is like w plus x plus y is equal to 33. So in place of w, what I will do, I will put value as 9, right?
Yeah.
Then x plus y, it will be like 33. So 9 is plus, when it goes to another side it will become like negative. So it is like 33 minus 9. So 33 minus 9, it is like okay, so it is like 24, right?
Yeah.
So 24, this is what we got. Now see what is exactly happening. So this is our, because this is our, okay, now we, because uh, we now find out x plus y, so what will be median, so median will be x plus y, this is equal to 24 divided by 2. So we cancel it, 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4, so median is equal to 12, right?
Yes.
So I hope you got this one, right?
Yes.
Okay, see, we have to understand how to do this kind of calculation, and I think this seems easy, right? We have to just substitute in a way what is our requirement, right?
Yes.
So there is no proper step for this, which equations to put in which equations. We have to see our requirement and go further steps with in a proper way, right? So okay, so okay, for the second part what we can write, okay, so let me write down this. Okay, for the second part what we can write, for the second part, the our answer is like 12, right? I hope you got,
Yes.
I hope you got this one, right?
Yes.
Okay, so okay, so we are coming to this end of this session. So okay, let